Hey YouTube, in this episode, I'm talking about YouTube Shorts and how to do YouTube Shorts right now in 2021 if you're in Canada, US, anywhere in North America. Let's go this episode right now. Hey guys, my name is Jared Vandermeer and I make digital marketing and content creation tip videos right here on YouTube. And in this episode, I'm talking about the new YouTube feature that's competing with TikTok, YouTube Shorts. YouTube released an article recently where YouTube Shorts is now released in India where they're testing it. India has the option to release Shorts from their app. They can create these short form videos right from the app, put them out there and get them out to their audiences. But it has not been released to the rest of the world as of me shooting this video. So if you are in Canada, if you are in the US, if you are anywhere else in the world and you're trying to make a YouTube short, I'm going to tell you how in this episode right now. Now, I have already released a couple YouTube shorts. I am just going to screen record now and get you guys into my back end, and I got one coming out in the next couple days, but I'm going to go back to one of the other ones, or some of the other ones I've released so far. Here's the first one I released. Very good organic compared to my other videos. It's already going out. Now, I don't have this option. There's a couple key things that you guys have to remember when releasing a YouTube short. Number one, hashtag shorts has to be in the title or the description. I put it in both on this video as I was testing it out. I didn't know if it was going to appear on Shorts, and it did as soon as I put it in there. Secondly, you need to make sure that the video is shot vertical. It's short form video. People are going to be viewing Shorts on the mobile app, on the YouTube mobile app, so it has to be shot up and down. And thirdly, the video has to be under 60 seconds long. So this one here that I did was 35 seconds long. Just a quick little feature related to one of my top premiere edits. I just wanted to test out Shorts, see how it worked. And it worked. It worked really well. With tags, I use Shorts, a couple other things. I'm not appearing in it well now, according to TubeBuddy. But if I go to the analytics, you can see right here, Shorts. 75% of my views, and I've had a couple recently. Now again, these aren't huge numbers, but for me, these are really good, and I've seen a lot of the larger creators starting to do their shorts and getting a ton of views and a ton of traction. So it's going to be related to the size of your YouTube channel, but for me, these 400 views, 400 organic views is great. And if you're a small creator, if you're a medium creator on YouTube, Shorts has the opportunity to get you in front of new audiences. All right, and again, those three things, make sure it's under 60 seconds long, it's hashtag shorts in the title or description, and that video is shot vertical. Those three things. As a creator, you're going to be able to put out Shorts before it's available on your app when no one else can do it. It's going to get you more organic reach in front of those other audiences, which is what we are all looking for. That is it for this episode, guys. Create and correct. Put out some YouTube Shorts. Tell me how they did in the comments below, if they explode or how your organic views are. I'm interested. We're all trying to test it out right now and see what YouTube Shorts is going to become. I know YouTube is trying to enter some of TikTok's realm with the short form videos. They know that younger viewers are consuming content with short form videos, so they're getting into it. I think it's going to be big. I've seen a couple on the app so far. It's pretty cool, and I think more and more people are going to watch it. So just test it out. That's it for this episode. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, and annotations. I got two videos below here relating to YouTube SEO. I got one on how to make chapters and another one on how to do tags properly today, minimizing the mistakes that I see a lot of content creators make. Take a look at both of them. I think they're going to help you out. Again, that's all for now.